No, dude, please. Oh. Dude, please no, man. Fuck. Oh my God, I just got shot.
Hello, 911. How can I help you?
Yes, listen, please, dude. I just got shot by some hoodlum.
Oh my God, sir. Are you okay? Would you like me to send a cop right away?
I'm bleeding everywhere. Yes. Please, right away.
Okay, great, sir. Just give me your location.
I'm on 4.
Nigga, you just cough, nigga?
Yes, he shot me in the back. It's making me cough.
I can barely breathe, dude.
Fuck that shit, nigga. We not getting you. You got corona, nigga?
Corona? Dude, what the fuck, dude? I just got shot.
Nah, hell no, I'm not getting this nigga. No, we not getting. No. Fuck, nah.
Dude.
Hold.
Dude?
Yo, Lamartrell.
Hello? This guy just put me on fucking hold. I'm about to die.
We got another coughing ass nigga on the phone. Talking about he got shot. Nah, you need to go shoot that nigga.
Word up, I'll clip that nigga.
Yeah, take that nigga out.
Easy money.
Yeah.
Where that nigga at?
He had 4 Darlene Lane right now.
Bet, get the gat, nigga.
I bet.
Hey, thanks for holding. We're
Hello?
sending a cop on his way right now. He's gonna get to you
You
really
sending a
fast,
cop
okay?
right now? Oh, okay, fuck, dude. I
He's
thought I was
going to kill
die.
you.
To kill me? Dude, what are you talking?
Goodbye. Fuck wrong with that nigga. Yeah, go get that nigga. I'm out of here. Niggas talking about fucking save this nigga got shot. Fuck this nigga. And stupid ass shit.
Dude,
Hey, nigga, you was just coughing? Nah, you got shot, didn't you?
who? No, dude, not me, man. I wasn't shot. No, it wasn't me.
So where that blood come from, cuz?
Mosquito bites. Wasn't me.
Oh, nah, not about the... Oh, wait a minute. Listen. Hey, guys, I know you're watching this, probably trapped at home. Don't forget, 6 feet minimum. Social distancing, guys, okay? Let's get back to the skit. Let's try this again. Hey, nigga, you was just coughing? Where that blood come from then, nigga?
Mosquito bites. Wasn't me.
Nah, now I got something better for you. Have a good one, guys, and stay safe. Wash your hands. Come here, nigga.
Yo, you know what it do, YouTube. It's your boy Naruto. Make sure you click that subscribe, like, and comment button and share this. You dig?